So now that we have an idea of why we need the concept of genre, we're beginning to encounter the ultimate problem of genre. And it's not easy to state this, but if I can make a gesture at it, here's the problem. To study any particular genre requires that we select and define what it is we're going to study. If we want to know the characteristics of a Western film, for example, we need to select examples of a Western film. But in order to select those examples, we need to at least know something about the genre from which we're drawing examples in order to talk about the larger genre. So in other words, no single movie is a complete representation of a genre, and no genre has a pure example that refers to only that genre. There is no chicken and there are no eggs. There are only fragments of both that we can use to create maps and guidelines that we interpret. So throughout this course, we're going to look at a number of thinkers who have attempted to solve this puzzle and make these clean equations that work to a certain extent. But I'm going to be suggesting throughout a number of materials that you can read, and to get the most out of these ideas, please do take the time to watch them. So the homework, as I've been suggesting, is to watch High Noon, watch A History of Violence, read Bart Beatty's, David Cronenberg's A History of Violence, and The Différand. It's an excellent study of how genre works, and in the case of this book about A History of Violence, an excellent study of David Cronenberg's career, where it fits in Canadian cinema, international cinema, and where it fits in genre, or more importantly, where it doesn't fit in genre. And so once you've watched these movies, post your thoughts about them in our private group, and be sure that you've also got the syllabus so that you can follow along all these resources and check them out for yourself.